Welcome to our video on the top 3 most popular programming languages of 2023. The tech industry is constantly evolving, and staying up to date with the latest programming languages is crucial for any developer looking to stay competitive in the job market. After analyzing data from various sources such as job postings, developer surveys, and usage statistics, we've compiled a list of the top 3 programming languages that are currently leading the way in the industry. Coming in at number 3, we have Java. This popular language is known for its write once, run anywhere capability and is used in a wide range of applications, including enterprise software, mobile app development, and big data processing. Java has been around for over 25 years and is still widely used and in demand in the industry. Coming in at number 2, we have Python. This versatile and user-friendly language is great for beginners and experienced programmers alike. It's commonly used in scientific computing, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and web development. Python's simplicity and readability make it a popular choice for beginners, while its powerful libraries and frameworks make it a go-to choice for data scientists and researchers. And finally, coming in at number 1, we have JavaScript. This language is the backbone of the web and is used to create interactive, dynamic websites and web applications. It's also the most commonly used language on GitHub, the largest code hosting platform in the world. JavaScript, Python, and Java are all versatile languages that can be used for various purposes. JavaScript is the most popular language for web development, while Python is more popular among data scientists and researchers, and Java is commonly used in enterprise software development and mobile app development. All of these languages are in high demand in the tech industry, and knowing them can open up a world of opportunities for developers. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, investing time to learn one or more of these languages is a worthwhile investment for your career in the tech industry. But remember, it's not just about popularity, it's also about personal preference. Comment below and let us know what's your favorite programming language.